What could possibly lead a parent to risk her children's lives in such a reckless and unsafe moment? Police were dispatched to a collision where a driver, believed to be under the influence, had young children riding in the vehicle. According to bystanders, the driver seemed confused and showed signs of possible intoxication behind the wheel. When authorities arrived, they quickly noticed multiple indicators of impairment, such as erratic behavior, emotional distress, and a strong odor of alcohol. Throughout the encounter, the children in the car looked visibly scared and emotionally shaken. The woman eventually acknowledged that she had consumed alcohol prior to the incident. Due to her condition and behavior, officers determined that she was unfit to operate a vehicle safely. As a result, she was taken into custody on charges related to impaired driving and putting her children at risk. Meanwhile, officials focused on securing proper care and protection for the children involved. Investigators prioritized the well-being of the children over the details of the accident itself. In the end, formal charges were filed against the mother for impaired driving and endangering her children's safety. There are moments in life when a single decision can change everything, not just for you, but for the people who depend on you the most. Today's story is not just about a crash. It's not just about an arrest. It's about responsibility, consequences, and the fragile line between love and recklessness. Imagine this: a routine day, cars moving through traffic, people focused on their destinations, their work, their families. And then, in a split second, everything changes. A rear-end collision brings attention to a driver whose condition immediately raises concern. But what truly shocks everyone isn't just the accident. It's the presence of young children sitting in the back seat. Children who had no control, no choice, no understanding of the danger they were suddenly placed in. Witnesses begin to describe what they saw. A driver who appeared confused, disoriented, possibly impaired. These aren't just observations. These are warning signs, the kind that often go ignored until it's too late. When officers arrive, they are faced with more than just a traffic incident. They're faced with a situation where safety, judgment, and parental responsibility collide. The emotional state of the driver becomes evident. Unstable reactions, erratic responses, the unmistakable smell of alcohol. In moments like these, law enforcement officers must make decisions quickly, not just based on what they see, but on what could happen next if they fail to act. Because when children are involved, the stakes are always higher. Inside the vehicle, fear becomes visible. Young faces trying to understand chaos, trying to make sense of flashing lights, raised voices, and sudden uncertainty. For them, this isn't just a moment. It's an experience that can shape how they see safety and trust for years to come. Eventually, the driver admits to drinking earlier, an admission that confirms what officers had already suspected. And this is where reality sets in. Driving under the influence is not just a legal violation. It's a decision that risks lives, including the lives of innocent passengers. In this case, those passengers were children. Officers determined that the driver is not capable of safely operating a vehicle, and at that point, the situation shifts from concern to enforcement. An arrest is made, charges are filed, but even as the legal process begins, another priority takes center stage: the well-being of the children. Because while laws address actions, it's protection that addresses impact. Authorities focus on ensuring the children are placed in a safe environment, a place where fear can be replaced with reassurance. Meanwhile, the crash itself becomes secondary, not unimportant, but not the most urgent issue. Because damaged vehicles can be repaired, traumatized childhoods are far harder to fix. This story raises difficult questions. What leads someone to make such a dangerous choice? Stress? Addiction? Poor judgment? A moment of emotional collapse? There are no easy answers, but there are clear lessons. Responsibility doesn't pause when life gets overwhelming. Parenthood doesn't come with an off switch, and safety cannot be treated as optional. Every decision behind the wheel carries weight, especially when others rely on you to make the right call. In the end, the legal system will determine consequences. Courts will review evidence. Charges will move forward. But beyond legal outcomes lies something deeper: the emotional aftermath. For the children, for the family, for everyone involved. This is not just a story about one incident. It's a reminder that choices matter, that awareness matters, that responsibility matters. Because in the real world, Consequences are never limited to the person making the mistake. They ripple outward, touching lives in ways that cannot always be undone. If there's one takeaway from this situation, it's this: moments of poor judgment can create lifelong consequences, but moments of awareness can prevent them. And sometimes, the difference between tragedy and safety comes down to one simple decision: the decision to stop, to think, and to choose responsibility over impulse. Because when children are involved, nothing is more important than protecting their future.